Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 47. Import Google Ads campaign. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to import your Google Ads campaign, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select Import from the top and then select Import from Google Ads. Here you'll get a notification, close it. Then click on Sign In with Google button, next click on Allow button. Then select your Google Ads account and click on Next button. Next you need to name your import, enter the name, then set schedule, enter email address to receive email notifications and click on Start Import button. Now they are importing their campaigns. Here we have 5 steps, and once they are completed, your import will be done. So this is how you can import your Google Ads campaign. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 48. How to download ad performance report from dashboard. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to download ad performance report from dashboard, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.